This is a test for an external microphone. The distance is about 3 to 4 inches away from my face. This is about 6 to 7 inches away from my face. And this is about 12 inches away from my face. For the purpose of this test, I will stick with 3 to 4 inches away from my face. Currently, I think that I have a kind of a normal monotone voice, but I can also change that to more upbeat, happy voice, and of course the fluctuation is going to change and a little bit more of my personality is going to shine through. Or I can change it to a lower, slower, almost like a whisper, like I'm telling you a secret. Or I can talk very fast, like I just had a bunch of coffee. Or I can slow it down and really enunciate the words that I am trying to say and try my best to sound clear and crisp for you. This concludes this test.